GPT learns to predict the next word in a sentence. What if you could do the same thing with stock market candlesticks? Train a model on 12 billion price records from 45 exchanges across 30 countries, and have it predict the next candle on markets it has never seen before. PhD students at Tsinghua University just open sourced this. It's called Kronos. It's accepted to AAAI 2026, and it's beating every general purpose model by 93%. This is Kronos, the first open source foundation model built specifically for financial market prediction using candlestick data. 12,700 stars, 2,500 forks, 236,000 Hugging Face downloads per month. MIT licensed. It handles price forecasting, return forecasting, volatility forecasting, and synthetic data generation, all in one model. Zero shot, no fine-tuning required. One model for stocks, crypto, commodities, and Forex across 7 different timeframes. Let's talk scale. 12 billion candlestick records in the training set. 45 exchanges, 30 countries, 7 timeframes from 1 minute to weekly candles. The base model is 102 million parameters. And here's the number that matters. 93% better rankings than the best general-purpose time series foundation model. This isn't a marginal improvement. This is what happens when you stop treating financial data as just another time series and start treating it as a language. And this is the architecture that makes it work. 2 stages. Stage 1 is the K-line tokenizer, a transformer autoencoder that takes raw candlestick data with 6 dimensions, open, high, low, close, volume, and amount, and converts it into discrete tokens using binary spherical quantization. Each candlestick becomes 2 tokens, a coarse-grained subtoken that captures the big picture like trend direction, and a fine-grained subtoken that captures the detail like exact price levels, like an artist sketching an outline before adding detail. Stage 2 is the autoregressive predictor, a decoder-only causal transformer, the same architecture as GPT, reads the token sequence and predicts the next candlestick. It predicts the coarse subtoken first, then the fine subtoken conditioned on the coarse. The transformer uses rotary position embeddings, RMS normalization, and temporal embeddings that encode minute of day, hour of day, and day of week patterns. At inference, Monte Carlo sampling generates multiple possible future paths, not a single prediction, but a probability distribution with uncertainty bounds. But here's the number that matters. Kronos predicts price movements on markets it has never been trained on. Zero shot, no fine-tuning, no transfer learning. Just load the model, pass in your OHLCV data, and get probabilistic forecasts. About 20 lines of Python. The models are hosted on Hugging Face and download automatically. 3 sizes available, mini at 4 million parameters, small at 25 million, and base at 102 million. A large 500 million parameter model is coming. Think about what this means for quantitative finance. Kronos is peer-reviewed and accepted to AAAI 2026. The results are real. But here's the honest take. Statistical improvements don't automatically equal trading profits after transaction costs. Out-of-sample performance can break in novel market regimes. And if too many traders adopt the same model, the signal erodes. Quant traders who've reviewed it call it promising research, not a production alpha engine. The most defensible use case right now? Synthetic data generation for strategy backtesting. That alone makes it valuable. Pip install. Load from Hugging Face. 20 lines to your first prediction. Kronos, the foundation model that treats candlestick charts as a language. Built by PhD students at Tsinghua. Peer-reviewed at AAAI. MIT licensed. Subscribe to Awesome FOSS. We find the best open source tools so you don't have to.